Hey guys, in this video I'll be taking you through how to use the Oura Ring 4, whether you're a new user or looking for some helpful tips and tricks to make the most of your smart ring experience. Let's get into it. To set up your Oura Ring, you'll need to start by downloading the Oura Ring app and making an Oura Ring account. This is when you're going to add your payment information for the membership cost. Once you're logged in, make sure your ring is on the charging base. This applies for both the Oura Ring 3 or Oura Ring 4, and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Open the Oura Ring app and it should automatically start searching for your new ring. From there, you'll follow the steps for a few basic prompts, and then your Oura Ring should be ready to go. Before we move on, I want to point out that I've done a full review on this channel of the Oura Ring 4. I'll make sure it's linked so you can go check it out. And for those who are here for the first time, this channel is all about helping you make the most of your tech, so make sure to subscribe to never miss a new video. Back to how to set up your Oura Ring. You might be wondering how it should fit or which finger you should be wearing your Oura Ring on. You should have already received a sizing kit with your order, but in case you're here because you haven't ordered your Oura Ring yet, I generally suggest sizing one up from your normal ring size. It's not a perfect match, and considering you're going to be wearing this to sleep and such, you want to leave a little bit of room to accommodate finger swelling. That said, you don't want a full gap so that the sensors can't maintain contact with your skin. As for what finger to use, Oura recommends your index finger for the most accurate information, but I know a lot of people wear it on their ring finger. That shouldn't cause any significant data discrepancies. Now that you're wearing the ring and it's paired to your phone, there are a few settings you'll want to explore. First, I suggest pairing your Oura Health information to the Apple Health app by going to Settings, Apple Health. Next, you'll want to curate the notifications you get, also in the Settings tab. I don't mind having them on, especially the battery level alerts, but it's up to you. After that, most users will want to enable blood oxygen sensing to make sure you're getting the best picture of your sleep tracking. Lastly, I also suggest visiting the Oura Labs tab to see if there are any features that you might want to try in beta. You can even enable notifications to know when a new feature is available for testing. The Oura Ring has a battery life that's longer than most smartwatches, but you might be wondering how to make the battery life last even longer. It's worth noting that the newer Oura Ring 4 lasts up to 8 days, which is longer than the Oura Ring 3, but things you can do to preserve battery life is actually disable blood oxygen sensing. I know I just told you to enable it, and I don't necessarily advocate for that in terms of user experience, but if your battery life is your priority, it'll work. Long term, to preserve the Oura Ring's battery health, it's also a good idea to not let it completely die before charging it. Finally, you can place your ring in airplane mode to pause the Bluetooth connection. The information will sync whenever you decide to turn airplane mode off. To make the most of using your Oura Ring, you're going to want to spend some time digging around the app, tracking your trends, and when possible, tagging your activities. The more you interact with the app, the more it can tell you about your health. Some of my favorite features include the daily stress tracking and timeline that lets me give context as to why I may be so stressed. I also really like the automatic activity tracking, and for those days when I'm sick or didn't sleep well, the option to enable rest mode is awesome. So what else can Oura Ring do? Let's take a look at the dashboard for all the information your ring and behaviors can imply about your health. The experience revolves around 3 tabs: Today, Vitals, and My Health. Between these, you can review long-term and short-term health data, from activity and steps to heart rate and heart rate variability to your resilience to stress and even your cardiovascular age. Oura is constantly adding new features such as symptom tracking and an AI-based Oura Advisor that helps take the edge off the monthly membership fee. I'm going to link my written review of the Oura Ring 4 in the description so that you can take a closer look at some other neat things that your Oura Ring can do. I personally love my Oura Ring. I've been a user for many years now, so I hope that you get to have a positive experience with it using these tips and tricks. Let me know what inspired you to buy an Oura Ring, and if there are any reasons, like that membership, that you're still on the fence. Anyways, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.